English-Finnish. How much does cost equals?
Paljonko maksaa?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to shop smart in Finnish? Let's make this fast, friendly, and fun. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart way to learn languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, free drills, and cheeky study hacks. Today we'll unlock prices with one magic Finnish line that works everywhere. Your price power phrase. One line unlocks every price tag. Learn it once, use it everywhere. Your price power phrase is
Paljonko maksaa?
literally, how much costs. Break it down.
Paljon
Equals much.
maksaa?
Equals costs, pays. Sneaky tip.
Maksa.
Without the long a. Means liver, don't mix them up. Use it with any item.
Paljonko tämä omena maksaa?
Equals how much does this apple cost? Or keep the template and point.
Paljonko maksaa?
Mini dialogues at the counter. Act it out with me, short, real, and super usable. You, at the market.
Paljonko tämä omena maksaa?
Seller.
2 euroa.
You, at the ticket counter.
Paljonko lippu maksaa?
Clerk.
7 euroa.
You, in a cafe.
Paljonko kahvi maksaa?
Barista.
3 euroa.
Ka-ching. You, online.
Paljonko toimitus maksaa?
Website.
Toimitus on ilmainen.
Shipping is free. Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm, then say it like a pro. Clap the beat. Ha el John ko, maksaa, ka-ching. Say it 3 times with me.
Paljonko maksaa? Paljonko maksaa? Paljonko maksaa?
Word booster. Money talk. Power up your price chats with these mini helpers.
Hinta.
Equals price.
Halpa.
Equals cheap.
Kallis.
Equals expensive.
Alennus.
Equals discount.
Kuitti.
Equals receipt.
Raha.
Equals money.
Maksaa.
Equals to cost, to pay. Culture tip. Finnish markets. Smile, point kindly, and ask. Finnish sellers appreciate clarity. In Finnish markets like Kaupatori or Hakaniemi Hall, it's perfectly polite to point, smile, and ask.
Paljonko maksaa?
Sellers often show the
Hinta.
on a board, and if there's an
Alennus.
they'll tell you. Always grab a
Kuitti.
for your records. Quick quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud and keep the beat. Quiz 1. What do you say in Finnish to ask the price? Answer.
Paljonko maksaa?
Quiz 2. True or false?
Maksaa.
Can mean to cost and to pay. Answer. True. Quiz 3. Which word means expensive? Answer.
Kallis.
Your challenge. Ready for a speed round? Point, ask, and smile. Challenge time. Ask for 3 things. 1. This apple. Say.
Paljonko tämä omena maksaa?
2. The ticket. Say.
Paljonko lippu maksaa?
3. Shipping. Say.
Paljonko toimitus maksaa?
Bonus humor. Your wallet opens only after it hears.
Paljonko maksaa?
Ka-ching. Thanks and next steps. You did great. Lock it in with a quick recap. Thanks for listening.
Kiitos.
Keep practicing.
Paljonko maksaa?
Whenever you shop, and flex those new words.
Hinta. Halpa. Kallis. Alennus. Kuitti. Raha.
For more lessons and free exercises, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.